You're not better than me. You're worse. You're fucking worse. At least me didn't know say sodomite thing in my blood from long time because I don't know me a fuck woman and years. Me a fuck woman and now yesterday me a fuck woman. Me didn't know that. Me didn't know say me born a sodomite. Me didn't know. I know I was born a sodomite. And me hardly fuck man too sometime. Me feel like a man for fuck him and it's just the truth. When I get up every day, it's annoying. Leave me alone. Go on, go find uno man to be giving a ring and buy a name brand bag and them so they leave me alone. It's annoying. It's very annoying. It is annoying. It's annoying. Me and no mate. Me never buy no fuck for none of uno. Me never buy no shoes. Me never tell you say me hungry. Me never tell you no at all. I never told you bitches nothing. Me never tell you no nothing. Me never tell you say say this or that or whatever. You come every day with the same old stuff. So tell you no I say no, oh when time my body get fined. I work for myself and I make my own bag and I feed myself. I buy my own cars. Even when time man I tell me say them I go buy me vehicle, I left them blood clot because I tell myself, oh me not sit down with certain things. What you mean me deal with people for them things? I'm a deal with people for this, I'm a deal with people for that. I'm a want people to use them and abuse them. I'm a controlling, I'm a this, I'm a that. Huh? I'm sick. I'm very sick. I'm very sick. I'm very sick. Everything is a fucking issue. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I only pay the blood clot $2,000 for coming, so no can tell me what to make blood clot nice. No can tell me what to make blood clot nice. You no pay $2,000 for coming, so come stay. You no can tell me say no for make nice in here. I found no money, eh? But decent, that girl name.